Hi friends, thank you for coming back to the Kids Zone with Trishy.
Do you want to read a story about a blanket? You do? It's called Baby's Blanket. Do you have a favorite blanket? You do? That's awesome. So you'll like this story. It's called Baby's Blanket. Owl's special blanket is her favorite color. Do you know what color it is? That's right, it is blue. What's that hiding underneath the blanket? Let's see. You want to see? A busy train. Choo choo. Squirrel's purple blanket is as cuddly as can be. Do you want to see what's hiding under the purple blanket? You do? Let's see. His play blocks. 1, 2, 3. Bunny's yellow blanket. Thank you, friends. Come back next time for more special stories.